Morning. Great. Here we are in the monkey cage. Not sure what this area is again. Don't see any birds. Don't see much of anything. I see the trees and a Tarzan tree. Other than that, some foliage. Nice area to hang out in, I suppose. And all around, you see that the hotel is in grave need of repair. You see there's a big hole right here and some damage. Pretty much everywhere. Damage abounds. The hotel is in disrepair, but here it is. Again, when you enter the hotel, you do smell a pungent aroma of maybe flooring, floor adhesive, or some kind of cleanser or something. I don't know what it is. But it is under construction, as they say. And they say they do have a pool here, but it's closed for renovation. This is the area to get breakfast every morning. They have a free buffet breakfast. It's pretty good if you like cold entrees. It's great. Although they do have a egg station, which will cook you a fresh egg, omelet, whatever you want. That part's really nice. This is the entryway. The area is that you could, the overflow for the eating area, as well as the piano. Here's the concierge, nobody there. And the big tree, of course, and the entryway. The reception desk. Everything that you may need. And where you arrive with the Davao City view. So we'll go up to my room. Famous durian of Davao. Elevator whisks you to your room. Here we are. Down the hill. 423. That's it. There we go. Put the key card in. That operates your lights. And home. Sweet home. Got a little fridge and the lovely safe. And what else do we have here? What a messy room. Please don't. No judging. Been here for a few days. And here it is anyways. Nothing out of the ordinary. Pretty much standard fare. You know, got a great view. I'm going to show you the view because that is one of the best parts of the journey is the view here. Wow, look at that. Is that amazing? It is an amazing view here. Yeah, amazing view. Anyway, that concludes this this hotel review. This is the Apo View Hotel. 3.85 stars, I believe. Maybe 4 stars, depending on where you see it. But anyways, here's the room, here's the hotel. Thank you for watching.